Hey guys! We're going to look at prefix, root words, and suffixes today. You should have two charts in front of you. The first one should have your prefix and suffixes with the meanings. The second one should be a chart that has words and then spaces for you to fill in with the prefix, suffix, root word, and the meaning of the word. So let's look at this first one, preview. So I need to find the prefix or suffix in this word. How am I going to do that? Well, let's look at our chart. Do you see one or any piece of this word that matches one that's on our chart? Very good. P-R-E. So in this prefix suffix box right here next to it, I'm going to write P-R-E. Now we've got to look for the root word. How do we find the root word from a word with a prefix or suffix? Well, we have to look at the word. And I know that the root word is not going to have a prefix or suffix in it, so I can take this part out. P-R-E, that doesn't need to be there to find our root word. What's left? Very good. View. V-I-E-W. View. So now I've got our prefix or suffix in the first box and our root word in the next box next to it. Now we have to find the meaning. Well, how do we find the meaning? We have to use our chart. So we're going to look at our prefix. We determined that P-R-E is our prefix for the word preview. Well, we're going to go find it on our chart again, P-R-E. And we're going to go straight across. In this word right here, before. So pre means before. So I'm going to come over here where it says preview, and there's an empty space right here under meaning of the word. So I'm going to write before. And then what before? What is the root word? We can't forget that. So before view. Do we say before view? No, you're right. So let's put view before. I think that makes a little more sense. So if you noticed, all we did was flip view and before. We put view first because we don't talk like before view. We say view before. Let's try one more. Let's look at the word powerful. What do you see in the word powerful that matches a prefix or suffix over on our chart? Very good. F-U-L is a suffix this time. So we're going to put full. F-U-L. Full. So we've got full for our suffix. Now we've got to find the root word. So we know that if the root word doesn't have a prefix or suffix in it, when I take out that suffix, what is left? Very good, power. So we're going to put power in our root word box. Okay. Well, now we have to find the meaning. So we'll have to go back over to our chart and find out what our suffix means. So let's go straight across. It means full of power. Full of. So does full of power sound right to you? Or should it be powerful of? You're right, probably full of power. So we're just going to fill that in our chart right there. Full of power. Very good. Now, I want you to try the rest on your own. And tomorrow for Friday, you're going to have a similar worksheet to this, but it's going to have your spelling words on it. And I want you to do the same thing tomorrow. And it's going to be for a grade tomorrow. So this one is practice, and then tomorrow's Miss Dean's going to take a grade on. So make sure you're really paying attention to our chart. Use the chart both days. Today and tomorrow you can use the chart. Very good. I miss you guys.